All right, everyone. I have the Pixel 3 here. So I got this a little earlier than I thought, and thought I would just go ahead and unbox it because I can't wait to get home to use my nice real camera. So here is the box. So this is inside the box. So it looks. I ordered the white one. Team Pixel, and nothing. It's just that stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So there's the device itself. So that looks nice. Let's see. So I do have the Mint. Oh, it's got like a screen protector even after taking this. Oh no, I'm just being dumb. It's this. So I'm gonna leave that on for a second because I don't have my my case yet. Let's turn this on. Ooh, fancy. Cool. So now I can hit English and start. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. I'll put this back down here for a second. All right, so here we have, this looks like the wireless earbuds. So I got the little instructions right here. I'm recording this in 4K, so I hope this is nice and clear. Like I said, I didn't have time to go get my real camera. I'm just using my Pixel 2 to record this, actually, ironically. And we have, thank you. I appreciate that they put this in there. The headphone to USB-C, and then just a USB-C, and then I'm guessing that, I don't know what this is. Oh, yeah, okay, so that was for that. And then the adapter for USB-A to C, and the fast charger. Yeah, actually, you know what? I'll worry about getting that out later. Then I guess this is just a SIM tool and all of the connectivity stuff. So pretty bare bones. I mean, it is nice that we have these though. I'll try these out and see if these work well. And then I'll be doing a full review of the phone compared to the Pixel 2. I'll keep them both for now and see if I end up returning the Pixel 3 in case it's just not much better than the Pixel 2. All right, I hope that was helpful. That's it. That's the unboxing.